Mountain of Roses, everyone. I'm Rachel Pilari. I'm here to present a poem entitled The Chaos. Dearest creature in creation, study English pronunciation. I will teach you in my verse. Sounds like corpse, whore, horse, and wars. I will keep you Susie, busy, make your head with heat grow dizzy. Tear in eye, your dress will tear. So shall I, oh hear my prayer. Just compare heart, beard, and herd, dice and diet, lord and word, sword and sword, retain and Britain. Mind the letter how it's written. Now, I surely will not plague you with such words as black and ague. But be careful how you speak. Say brick and steak, but bleak and strict. Cloven, oven, how and low. Script, receipt, show, palm and toe. Hear me say, devoid of trickery. Daughter, laughter, and terpsichore. Typhoid, missiles, tapsels, isles, exiles, similes, and reviles. Scholar, vicar, cigar. Scholar, make scholar, vicar, and cigar. Solar, mica, war, and far. One, anemone, balmoral. Kitchen, lichen, laundry, laurel. Gertrude, German, wind and mind. Sin, melpomene, mankind. Billet does not rhyme with ballet. Bouquet, wallet, mallet, chalet. Blood and flood are not like food, nor small like should and would. Viscous, viscount, load and broad. Toward, to forward, to reward. And your pronunciation's okay when you correctly say croquet, rounded, wounded, grieve, and sieve. Friend, fend, alive, and live. Ivy, privy, famous, claimer. And in amor, rhyme with hammer. Rival, rival. And in amor, rhyme with hammer. Rever, rival, tomb, bomb, comb. Dull, and roll, and some, and home. Stranger does not rhyme with anger, neither does devour and clangor. Souls but foul, hunt but ant, font, front, wont, want, grand, and grant. Shoes, goes, does, now first say finger, when then singer, ginger, linger. Real, zeal, move, gaze, gouge, and gauge. Marriage, foliage, mirage, and age. Query does not rhyme with very, nor does fury sounds like Barry. Dust, lost, post, and doth, cloth, loath. Job, knob, bosom, transom, oath. Though the differences seem little, we say actual but vital. Refer does not rhyme with differ. Theofer does and ziffer, heifer. Mint, pint, senate, and sedate. Dull, ball, and church ate late. Cynic, Arabic, Pacific. Science, conscience, scientific. Liberty, library, have, and heaven. Racial, 8, mustache, 11. We say hallowed and allowed. People, leopard, toad, and vowed. Make the differences, moreover, between mover, cover, clover. Leches, breeches, wise, precise. Shall lies, but police and lies. Camel, constable, unstable. Principal, disciple, label. Petal, panel, and canal. Wait, surprise, plate, promise, pal. Worm and storm, chase, chaos, chair. Senator, spectator, mayor. Tor, but are, and succor, for. Gas, alas, and Arkansas. Sea, idea, Korea, and area. Psalm Maria but malaria. Youth southern cleanse and clean. Doctrine turpentine marine. Compare alien with Italian, dandelion and battalion. Sale with ally, ye, I, a, way and k. Say ever but ever fever. Neither leisure's cane deceiver. Heron, granary, canary. Crevice, undevised and airy. Face but preface, not efface. Phlegm, phlegmatic as glass and base. Large but target, gin, give virgin. Out, joust and scour, scourging. Air but earn, and wear and tear. Does not rhyme with here but air. 7 is right, but so is Evan. Hyphen, roughen, nephew Stephen. Monkey, donkey, pork and jerk. Ass, crafts, wasps and cork and work. Pronunciation, think of psyche. Is appealing, stout and spiky. Won't make you lose your wits. Writing groats and saying grits. It's a dark abyss or tunnel, strewn with stones, stowed solace gunwale. Islington and Isle of Wight, housewife, verdict, and indict. Finally, which rhymes with enough? Though, through, loud, and though, or cough. Hiccup has the sound of cop. My advice is to give up. Finally, which rhymes with enough? Though, through, loud, or though, or cough. Hiccup has the sound of cop. My advice is to give up.